My name is Zohran Mamdani. I'm the assembly member for parts of Astoria and Long Island City. And I'm here because CUNY is the crown jewel of New York City. CUNY serves my district in terms of the students who live in my district who go to CUNY, the faculty who work at CUNY, the staff who work at CUNY. And yet for too many of them, the experience of being at CUNY has been to experience death by 1,000 cuts, because that is what our executives have been pursuing both at the city level and now even at the state level, in that we are having to fight off their proposals instead of fighting for the New Deal for CUNY, which is a vision of CUNY that is grounded in what CUNY has been in the past and what CUNY needs to return to, which is a CUNY that provides excellent education for all New Yorkers and does so free of cost to those New Yorkers. And what we're seeing right now is a CUNY that is going further and further out of reach of those New Yorkers, and one that is in greater states of disrepair. So we're here today to fight for a New Deal for CUNY, and we're here to say that it's time for working class New Yorkers to be given the public education that they deserve.